Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 14 Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animal. In that same unit, last class we saw types of blood circulation, heartbeat, cardiac cycle, and heart sound. Now we are going to see blood pressure, blood group, and lymphatic system. Let us see one by one in detail. First one, blood pressure. Blood pressure is two types, systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. The blood pressure is forced to exerted during the flow of blood against the lateral wall of arteries. First one, systolic pressure. During ventricle systole means the blood into the aorta. Contract. Ventricle contract during the blood force the pressure rise to a during ventricle. Next, during diastole, ventricle relax, that is diastole. Pressure falls the lowest value, which is referred as diastolic pressure. The pressure is a healthy person 120 mm or 80 mm Hg. Blood pressure varies during the condition of physical exercise, anxiety, emotion, stress and sleep. During this time, the blood pressure may be vary. A prolonged or constant elevation means high blood pressure. His condition is known as hypertension, high blood pressure. The increased risk during hypertension, high blood pressure, heart attack or stroke is the increase in the risk. Decrease the blood pressure is termed hypotension, low blood pressure. Hypotension or low blood pressure. Stethoscope. Stethoscope is used to detect the sound produced by the internal organ of human body. The heart sound is heard by the placing of stethoscope in the chest. Placing of stethoscope on the chest, we can hear the sound of heart. It is useful to diagnose tool to identify the sound of the internal organs, localize healthy problem and diagnose disease with the help of stethoscope. This is the stethoscope. Next one, sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is a chemical instrument used to measure blood pressure. When a person is in a relaxed or resting condition, the blood pressure of the branchial artery is measured. The person is relaxed or resting condition, the branchial artery pressure is measured with the help of sphygmomanometer. It helps to estimate the state of blood circulation. It diagnoses the condition increased or decreased blood pressure. Two types of sphygmomanometer. This one is monometric type. The second one is modern apparatus used to measure blood pressure. Next one, blood group. The concept of blood grouping was discovered by Carl Landsteiner 19,000. He identified the blood groups A, B and O. A, B and O. AB blood group was recognized by De Castello and Steiny 1902. AB blood group was recognized by De Castello and Stein in 1902. Human blood contains specific substances called agglutinogens or antigens. And agglutins are antibodies. Antigens are present in the membrane or surface of the RBC. Membrane surface of the RBC. Agglutinogens or antigens are present in the membrane surface of RBC. Antibodies are present in blood plasma. Antibodies are present in the plasma. Based on the presence or absence of human blood is grouped or classified into 4 types: A, B, AB and O. The individual has one of the 4 blood groups. Individual has one of the 4 blood groups. A individual has how to identify the types of blood. Suppose one person has A blood group defined. Antigen on RBC is present A. Antigen present in RBC is A. Antibodies present in plasma B. A blood group. Suppose B blood group, the antigen on RBC is B. Antibodies in plasma is A. That is, B blood group person has antigen on RBC is B. Antibodies in plasma is A. AB blood group, antigens A and B present on the surface of RBC. AB blood group, antigens A and B are present on the surface of RBC, but no antibodies present in plasma. O blood group B are absent. Both antibodies A and B are present in the plasma. How the person can donate the blood group? A person can donate A and AB person. B person can donate B and AB. AB person can donate only AB. O person can donate A, B, AB and O. So, the O blood group person is called as universal donor. How can we receive the blood? A person can receive O. B person can receive B and O. AB person can receive A, B, AB and O. So, the AB blood group person is called as O blood group can receive only O. AB person can called as universal recipient. O blood group person called universal donor. Now next RH factor. Next RH factor. RH factor means the blood is positive or negative. How will decide the positive blood group or negative blood group? RH factor was discovered by Landsteiner and Weiner in 1940. And rhesus monkey. Rhesus monkey spelling RHESUS. The first 2 letter RH is given the name RH factor. RH factor. The antigen is present in the surface of RBC. The antigen is 2 types. One is positive, the another one is negative. Suppose the person has RH positive, the blood group is called as positive. A positive, B positive, or AB positive and O positive. The person has negative antigens in the RBC. The person blood is called negative group. A negative or B negative or AB negative and O negative. The antigen negative or positive only decide RH factor. Antibodies developed against the RH antigen is called RH antibodies. Antibodies developed against the RH antigen is called RH antibodies. Now let us see lymphatic system. Lymphatic system, lymphatic. That lymph is a liquid, colorless liquid. Lymphatic system like a blood circulatory system, the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system comprise of lymphatic capillaries, lymphatic vessel, lymphatic node and lymphatic duct. Lymph is a fluid that flow throughout the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system flow throughout the body. The lymphatic capillaries unite to form large lymphatic vessel and lymph node. Lymph node are small oval shaped structure located along the length of lymphatic vessel. Throughout the lymphatic system, the lymph nodes are present. Along with the length of lymphatic vessel, the lymph nodes are present. Next, lymphatic duct. Lymph form the intercellular space drain into the lymphatic capillary. Lymph is a colorless blood cell escape in the intercellular space. Where the blood cells cannot reach that place, the plasma will reach supply oxygen. The tissue through the pores present in the walls of capillaries. It is a small blood plasma but colorless, contain carbon dioxide and water and WBC are present in the lymph. Functions of lymph. Supply nutrient and oxygen to those parts where the blood cannot reach. And one, it drains away excess tissue fluid metabolites and returns protein to the blood from tissue space. The lymph is also carry absorb fat and small intestine to the blood. The lymph capillaries of intestinal villi absorb digested food. Lymphocytes is in the lymph. Define the body from infection. The lymphocytes in the lymph define the body from the infection. Thank you, children. Thank you.